Too. Alright, so we're back in New York. You just interrupted my movie, Son of Kong. I don't care, we need a rematch. You know I already won. I don't care, I'm stronger than you. I'm 10 times better. You'll never be quiet. You'll never be quiet. Ow, 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 oh, oh, God. Oh. Oh. What the? Who the heck are you? Oh, Godzilla. Is that baby cousin? Oh, cousin. Wait, you're his baby cousin. Oh my God. Oh, ow! Wait, what are you doing here? Oh, I was just fighting someone you definitely don't want to fight. Goodbye. I hate you. Boo. Hello. I'm gonna go. Bye. Quitter. I guess that means I win. Round 2. Alright. I'm gonna punch. You so hard. I'm gonna kick your butt. Sorry, this is my pain. Ow! Oh my God! I'm a garden fighting. Oh, I gotta hide. Dun, 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 dun. Reloading, scanning. I don't think you need a scan. Why? Someone help me. Whoa. You look a bit bigger than last time. Yep. But I still win. You know what? What? Just... No. Wait. What the... What are you doing? We gotta recreate this thing. Watch. Alright. You saved me. Why? Monkey. Alright, now you can build me up. What? In the first time and forever. That was awfully easy. Ow. I'm stuck. That's good. Now get down. Ow! We have unfinished business. We can just talk. Please.